Want to make quick changes to a PDF file? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Follow along and you'll be able to modify text, images, and more in just a few clicks. Here's the PDF to do this with, so go and open it up in Adobe Acrobat. This is a paid-for program and it's a subscription, so you need to go and pay for it. Once you've got it open, go to the top left and you can press All Tools. Then you want to go down, find the option Edit a PDF, and we can start editing it. Over to the left, you can go and modify the page, add content, design, and there are other options as well. But you can go and click on the text and start editing what you need to. When you're happy with the changes you've made, go to the top right and click the Save button. Your edited PDF will then be saved to your computer with all the changes applied. And that's how you can edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.